What's going on, you guys? Charlie here from MA Performance. It's no surprise to most people that we're known really for like a handful of types of cars, right? Evo 8.9s, Evo 10. You guys saw the Evo build we did on the channel. Link to that playlist right up here. We're also known a little bit in the Civic market now. You guys saw what we did with the SI. If you follow us on Instagram, link right here. You guys have seen that we've been doing some stuff around the Type R and kind of venturing into that. But the one thing that we've kind of been missing out on showing on our social channels has been Subarus. So today I'm pleased to announce the next build on the channel, this 2015 Subaru WRX. Now, for the most part, you guys, this car has been a one in our fleet really for research and development purposes, and also for a program that we had called the Employee Driving Experience, where employees here at MAP got to drive the car. And as you can assume, we beat the living shit out of this thing. Now, with that in mind, as this car sits, it's currently in our Stage 2 Plus configuration, which means it's got our MA Performance intercooler, MA Performance downpipe, and the MA Performance intake. Now, around this build, we've partnered with a handful of brands to make this a really awesome build. Obviously, from a performance standpoint, we're probably not gonna change a whole lot. However, this thing's gonna look super bad by the end of this build series.
You might wanna watch that lens, boy.
Personally, this is my favorite exhaust on the market for this car, and we're putting it on. So today, what we're gonna focus on is how this thing sounds. Today, we're putting on our MA Performance catback exhaust with the blue burnt tips. Now, for me personally, this is my favorite exhaust on the market. Let's go ahead and get this thing on the car. All right, you guys, for this installation, you're gonna need a 17mm socket with a swivel head. The swivel head makes it easier to get around some of the flex pipes in the exhaust. Then you're gonna also want a 14mm closed end wrench. That's just gonna make it so that when you take off the backside, it doesn't spin in place. Nope, I was just banging against the pipe. Ah! All right. Hey, Tiny, you got your little clamp removal tool?
Like might not have dropped out.
Classic.
I'm here breaking my neck, looking over my shoulder. Stepped into your skin, got me tripping over myself. Thinking I would say something, passing the time. On the same side. On the same side. On the same side. On the same side.
Same side.
On the same side.
All right, you guys, so we got Tiny getting the car off the lift right now. As soon as he gets it off, we're gonna take the car around and see how it sounds. So we'll bring you guys along for the ride. Oh, it sounds so good. So the next thing on my list of mods for this car is definitely going to be some coilovers. because this car's on stock suspension, and to be completely honest with you, it drives like a boat. So what I don't like about this car is just really things that are representative of the current condition. The struts and springs it has are pretty well blown out. In addition to that, until today, obviously the car was pretty quiet. I've actually been daily driving the car to and from the shop here for the last couple days. Just honestly, there's not a whole lot that I don't like about it. Again, it performs relatively well. So for me, the things that we're gonna be changing here over the build series are gonna be things that affect the handling. We're gonna change obviously a lot with how this car looks. It's gonna be pretty badass. Secondarily to that, again, just the handling stuff. In the next episode, we're gonna put coilovers in the car because for the past few weeks, really, the only cars I've really driven performance-wise are the Evo 10, which you guys have probably been following along on our channel. However, the other car I've been driving, if you follow us on Instagram, has been the Type R. Both the Evo 10 and the Type R handle phenomenally well. Anyways, guys, we're just gonna throw some more exhaust clips at the end here for you to enjoy. Not much else we're gonna get into today. If you guys are excited about the WRX build, let us know down below in the comments. Otherwise, stay tuned through the end of this video to get some awesome exhaust clips of the WRX along with some spicy heat. We'll see you guys next time. Peace. We're ready to start the car.